How to self-install COX Internet. Step 1. Unbox the kit and connect the gateway. Unbox your COX Easy Connect kit and make sure it includes the gateway and modem, the power adapter, the coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, and quick start guide. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to your wall outlet and the other end to the cable in port on the gateway. Plug the power adapter into the gateway and then into a wall outlet. Wait for the gateway to power on and avoid using a switched outlet if possible. Step 2. Wait for the gateway to come online. Allow the gateway 5 to 10 minutes to boot and connect to the COX network. The LED will blink during startup. Continue once the status light indicates the gateway is online and ready for activation. Step 3. Activate your service. Open the COX app and visit the COX activation page. Sign into your COX account and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your gateway. Wait until activation completes successfully. Step 4. Connect your devices. Connect to the default Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password printed on the gateway label. Alternatively, connect a computer directly using an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Once connected, your device should receive internet access automatically. After that, open a web browser, visit a website, or run a speed test. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.